Assalamualaikum. Welcome to 5th class social. I am your social teacher from United Public School, Tandur.
So my dear students, how are you? Hope you all are fine and good. So my dear students, today we are going to start our chapter 3rd from our 5th class term book, Conquering Distances. So my dear students, conquering distances means how we are overcome from the distances, okay? And how we are take control of a place or a people by the distances, okay? So my dear students, in our previous time, in ancient time, what happened? Yes, the man have to move from one place to another in search of food and shelter. If to cross a water body, he used a can, VRA, or a boat, and he had to carry his good either on his head on his bag. He should not travel very far. And next, the invention of wheel changed the life of early mans. He made a cart and loaded heavy goods on it. And after this, he also trained horses and donkeys to pull the carts. The transportation of people and goods become easier. So, and my dear students, did you know the invention of wheel changed the way man moved one place to another? Yes, the most important invention in the history of transport is the wheel. Yes, wheels means pahiya. Okay? And transport means going from one place to another place is called transport. Okay? So, after the invention of the wheel, what happened? The transport system means it is become very easy to go from one place to another place. Okay, before this invention, sledges pulled by human beings or animals were in use. So before the wheel was invented, what happened? Yes, the sledges, a vehicle which are pushed by the man, or after this a vehicle was invented which are pulled by the animals. Okay. And next, the earliest known wheels were used in Mesopotamia, now Iraq, around 3500 BCE. So students, where the wheels are used? Yes, in Mesopotamia. Now name is Iraq. Okay, and around in which BCE? Yes, in 3500 BCE. BCE means before Common Era. Roadways. Roadways is a common facility for transportation. As the use of vehicles increased, more and more roads were built. Some of the earliest paved roads were found in the cities of the Indus Valley civilization. Roads found in the ruins of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro were straight and long. They intersected one another at right angles. The Romans, Chinese, and Incans in South America are considered other early builders of roads. So students, roadways are very important for transport. Okay, and day by day the vehicles are very increasing, and we need the roads. And who are the early builders of roads? Yes, the Romans, Chinese, and South America. These are the early builders of roads who built the roads firstly. Okay. In the 19th century, the steam engine was invented, followed by the diesel engine. From the early 20th century, vehicles began to be produced in large numbers. In which century the steam engine was invented? Yes, in 19th century the steam engine was invented. Okay, and followed by the diesel engine. In some countries today there are very broad roads called highways. Students, do you know what is highways? Highway means the main roads connecting towns or cities is called highways. Okay, So highway means a road which are connecting to a city or a town is called a highway. Okay. So students, today's your homework is you have to write why is the wheel considered the most important invention in history. You have to write the answer of this question. Okay, write neatly and submit in the group. Hope you understand. Thank you.